There's a new push to bring a hospital into one of Southwest Florida's fastest growing areas.
Now, Lee Health applied for the right to build one in South Lee County 5 years ago, but at the time the state said, nope, we don't see a need. Tonight, 4 in your corner's Call Fortier finding out that Lee Health is now renewing its push to build a hospital in Estero now that a competitor has also applied to build one there. Carl?
Well, Lee Health CEO Larry Antonucci says they disagreed with the state when they were denied the right to build a hospital in South Lee County back in 2013. But with the population growing even more in the past 5 years, he says the need for a hospital is even greater now.
We've planned to build a hospital in South Lee County for quite some time.
And with the population booming in Bonita Springs and Estero, Lee Health CEO Dr. Larry Antonucci says they would have built a hospital there by now. But Florida's Agency for Healthcare Administration denied the application to build one in 2013, saying the need wasn't there.
We disagreed and we fought that, but the state prevailed.
But this facility they're building near Coconut Point, which will have an ER and other services, could have bed capacity added.
With the population growth, especially in the population of over 65, as we look to the next 5, 10, 20 years, we really believe that those beds will be needed in that community.
Competitor HCA Healthcare recently submitted a certificate of need to build a hospital at an undisclosed location, possibly in South Lee County. Antonucci says Lee Health is now refiling its own certificate with the state.
With the HCA application, it just simply pushed our timeline up. So we feel that with the changing demographics and the changes we've seen in the last 5 years, that we'll have a different outcome this time.
Dr. Antonucci says the certificate of need process could take anywhere from 18 months to a few years. If the hospital is approved, he says he doesn't anticipate any problem getting doctors and other staff to work there. In Estero, Carl Fortier, Fox 4, in your corner.
All right, thank you, Carl.